Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you tired of losing track of where your hours go each day, or just want more control over your productivity? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Notion for time tracking. By the time we're finished, you'll be confidently logging your hours and activities using a sleek system that's not just functional but professional looking too. And you won't be building it from scratch. We'll be using Notion's free time tracking template, which means you get all the benefits of a ready-made layout, plus the flexibility to tailor it to your unique workflow. Let's dive right in and set up your Notion so you can start tracking your time effectively. First, open up Notion and look towards the top left of your workspace. There you'll see a little drop-down menu. This is your entry point for exploring more options within Notion. Go ahead and click it. This will open up several features that Notion offers. It might feel a bit overwhelming if you're new, but don't worry, templates are designed specifically to make things easier and more organized. Next, from the menu, find and select Browse Templates. Notion offers a variety of templates, but since we're focusing on time tracking, type time tracking into the search bar at the top of the template gallery. You'll notice a selection of templates popping up, each with slightly different styles and features, but all designed to make tracking your hours more professional and structured. Think of these like pre-designed planners. Just as you might choose a calendar that fits your style, here you can pick the template that matches your workflow. Take a few moments to browse through the available options. There's no rush here. Notice the layouts. Some might separate projects, others focus on daily logs, and some have clear sections for notes or reflections. When you find one that feels right for you, simply click Add. At this point, Notion automatically imports the template into your workspace, creating a fresh page ready for you to fill in. Now you're ready to personalize your time tracking system. This is the fun part. Start by entering your credentials, like your name or the project details if you're tracking specific work. You can fill in the columns or sections already set up. Think of these as your digital clock and sheet. If you're a creative professional, maybe you want to track how much time you spend drawing, writing, or designing. You can enter those categories and start logging how your day unfolds. If you notice there's a field you'd rather not use, or maybe something you wish was included, don't worry, you can customize each template to suit your needs. Changing column titles, adding color coding, or even integrating reminders, all of that's possible in Notion, and it's as simple as clicking into the section and typing your changes. The great advantage here is that even though you're starting with a template, it looks polished and professional from the start. There's no messy or unfinished setup to worry about. And the more you personalize it, the more valuable and tailored it becomes to your individual workflow. That's really all it takes to get started. You've now got a robust, customizable time tracking dashboard right inside Notion. Remember, consistency is key here. Log your time regularly, and your insights will become even more valuable over time. Thanks so much for following along. If this tutorial helped you get a handle on your time tracking, give the video a thumbs up. Got questions or want advice on customizing Notion further? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I always read them and love helping out. And if you're hungry for more easy Notion tips and tutorials, be sure to hit subscribe so you never miss out. See you in the next one.